So if you're getting the error while installing the Eclipse, then you have to download the Java first. So this is the link to download the Java. So before Eclipse, first download the Java, and I'll provide this link in the description, and then you can click on this link, Windows Online. Okay, so after downloading, after installing the Java, then you can download your Eclipse and it will not throw any error. And now it will show us this screen. Now launch. So if you're getting the error while installing Eclipse, then this is like Java error. You have to download Java in your system first and then you can download the Eclipse. Okay, now launch. Yeah, so it is working now. So I was getting the error like JDK error while installing the Eclipse. Then I downloaded the Java and then it has been resolved. So before downloading Eclipse, you can download the Java and then you can launch Eclipse. So now next step is after downloading the Eclipse, installing the Eclipse, then next step, let me show you a launch. So we are done with the launch as well. Now this will be the screen in Eclipse. Now next step will be add ADT plugin to Eclipse. Okay, so we have to add the ADT plugin to Eclipse. So now let me show you. Keep the Eclipse IDE. Oh, sorry, this is the screen actually. Let me maximize it. Yeah, so you can see this screen. Let me cancel this one. Now help, new install new software. So these are the steps here. First click on this help, then install new software. Now you have to pass the URL. Let me check the URL first. Yeah, this is the URL. Enter this latest ADT URL in the workspace. The complete URL you can copy and then you can provide in the Eclipse in this section. Then add in the work with section. Yeah, press enter or select ABAP Development Tools. So name, project, add. Okay, now you can see ABAP Development Tools. So we will activate it. We will activate this checkbox. Just click on this checkbox and then next, this will be like next step here. Click on the next or you can press enter as well. Oh, I can't show you the next option. Let me move this one a bit. Yeah, you can see here this is next. It will take some time. So after next, save the license agreement and click finish. Then select all. Let me show you these steps. Yeah. So yeah, now next. Then I accept. You can select this radio button. Then finish. So we are done with this step now. Select all and trust selected. Let me show you this option here. Yeah, so it is still loading. You can see here it is installing the software 16%. So let's wait. Yeah, now you can click on the select all and trust selected. So it is installing the software. So we are done with this step. Let me show you select all and trust selected. Okay, now next step will be restart now. Okay, let's see. Next step, it is done 16%. So let's wait. So now you can see. So it is done. Now we are getting this pop-up restart now. So this is a step here, restart now. After uh, after this step, then now edit is installed. So that is done. Then we have to create the project. So now let me restart it. Restart now. Okay, so it is restarting the Eclipse. Now next step will be we have to create a project. It will take some time. So then we'll follow these steps like window perspective, open perspective, other. Then select ABAP, click open. Let's see. Window perspective, open perspective, other, then ABAP, open. Okay, so we are following all these steps like window perspective, other perspective, then other, and we are selecting ABAP here. Then click open. So we are done with this step. And now you can see create a ABAP project or ABAP cloud project. So if you are creating on-premise system you want to connect, then you can create a project, ABAP project. Then you can connect the system, SAP system. And if you are working on suppose public cloud, you're working on the cloud version, then you have to create a cloud project. So I will show you like first we have to create a free trial version like BTP cloud version, and then you can create a ABAP cloud project and you can start your rep application. You can create different rep application. So we are done with this step. Now I can see create a project, all these projects here. And let me show you more information. Yeah, so we are done. We have installed the ADT. Now create a project. Let me show you how we are creating the project. Use SAP GUI. Okay, so here you can pass your details like system. Like suppose if you are creating connection in SAP GUI. So we are passing same details. Like let me show you. Custom application server, instance number we have to pass, then router string. Okay, and if you are creating the ABAP cloud project, then you can pass the URL. So I will explain in the next session like how can we create a cloud project and like how can we create a trial version, trial account so that you can create different app application and you can work on cloud project. So we are done with the installation of Eclipse, downloading and installing of Eclipse here. And then we install the ADT plugin. to Eclipse. So in the next session, I will explain next step, like how can we create the ABAP Cloud project. For the ABAP Cloud project, if you're creating the ABAP Cloud project, then we need the URL. So I will explain you how can we create that URL. We have to create a trial version, cloud version. And if you're working on the live, suppose any live project, so in that case, you can directly pass the URL. Thank you.